Alright, I'll try boys. So in this video, we're going to be installing a lift kit on my Suzuki Jimny. Alright, so today we're going to be installing a lift kit on my Suzuki Jimny, which is a Jb43 Jimny. The only modifications I've done to it was I removed the back seat and installed a fabricated flooring as well as a drinks tray, and I also sounded the entire interior and installed a center console. Alright, so this is all the parts here for the lift. We have a 2-inch black Raptor lift kit. This is a suspension lift, 4 shock absorbers and 4 springs. We have SuperPro Castor corrected bushings. We have extended braided brakes line by Trail Gear. We have steering spacers if needed. We have some rear shock relocators. We have a steering damper by Black Raptor again, and we have a 2-inch body lift kit. Alright, so this is all the parts we're gonna need to lift the Jimny. All of these parts were ordered online from Jimny Bits, so huge shout out to them. I've been talking to some members from the off-road community, and we are in agreement that this is the first full Black Raptor suspension lift kit in Trinidad. This lift kit is gonna be installed by Kerron from Kerron's Auto. So we're gonna head across there now and get to the installation. Alright, so we have Kerron Auto, Kerron working on the Jimny. Kerron is the official mechanic for this Jimny. I would highly recommend him if you need a mechanic. He does everything from engine swap to suspension, everything. In fact, let me introduce you to the boss himself, let him tell you what he does. So Kerron, what you do? Tell the people.
Basically, anything to do with mechanic, like conversion, engine, conversion, maintenance, suspension work, anything.
Anything. Yeah. So if you need a mechanic, just check him. I'll put his info in the description for you all. Alright, and we're gonna get to installing this lift here. It's a front bumper off and the rear bumper off as well. Kerron took it off already. Kinda liking this vibes, this naked vibes. And we're installing the body kit, the body lift right now. Alright, I'll try boys.
I get you?
Yeah, I get you. Alright, so the body lift installed. Kerron installed the body lift already. You can see it there. And he's there. And you install the springs and shock absorbers already. For the rear, you can see it. Okay. The springs and shock absorbers. And for the front springs and shock absorbers already installed. So you're just working on the extended brakes line right now. Good morning everybody, I hope everybody's doing good. Yesterday we ended up lifting the Jimny, but we finished a bit late, so I didn't get to show you the end result. So let me show you this morning. The Jimny is behind me. Alright, so let me show you how it turned out. So you can see we have the suspension lift, the front springs and the shock dampers. We have the 2-inch body lift as well. Alright, you can see we have it there. We also have the steering damper. You can see there. Alright, and extended brakes lines here as well. And same thing for the back. We have the shock absorber, the body lift. And if you go under, see we have the rear shock relocators here. Alright, and we have the extended brakes line in the back there. Alright. In terms of driving comfort with the Black Raptor suspension, it is 110% better than stock. The steering damper makes a world difference. Like it's really a great improvement. I think if you looking out to get a steering damper, I would highly recommend Black Raptor. It just makes the steering feel so much more safe and more firm and just overall more comfortable. The ride with the Jimny, I never thought I'd get a smooth ride like this with the Jimny, but with the Black Raptor suspension, it is amazingly smooth. I would highly recommend if you're looking for a suspension lift to get Black Raptors, and if you're looking for a steering damper to get Black Raptors. They are really good. Alright, so I just want to thank Kerron for the installation on this. We spent all day from like 9 in the morning till around 6:30 in the afternoon installing all of the components for the lift here. I just want to thank him so much for that. I thank everybody in the garage there as well for helping out and just vibes. So let me show you the end result of the lift with some B-roll. So I'll cut to the B-roll now. Alright, so that'll be it for this video. If you like the video, subscribe, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments. In the next video, we're going to be seeing about some wheels for this. So I'll catch you in the next one.